Hello my fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. We need to make a burger and this burger comes in the form of a turkey and pork burger. Right, in my bowl here I have 500 grams turkey mince and 3 pork sausages. Pork sausages, you're looking at roughly 250 grams. I've removed the skin. If you want to see how I do that, just refer to my video on my deluxe toad in the hole because I'll show you how to do it in that video. Link up here. Okay, all we have to do with this is simply add, in my little plate here, I've got 1.5 teaspoons Italian seasoning and 1.5 teaspoons sage and 1/2 teaspoon salt. All you have to do is in, hands in.
Need that meat.
Need the meat. Done. How easy was that? So what I've done, I've actually divided the mixture into 4 balls to begin with, just so we can get a good idea on how many we can get out of this mixture. We've got four good sized balls here. What I'm going to do to make them into patties, I'm just going to wet my hands. It's just easy to roll if your hands are wet, and then just roughly, doesn't have to be perfect, just carry on like that.
Oh.
Be nice big juicy burgers these will be.
Nice big balls.
You can actually cook these straight away, but I'm not going to do them now. I'm going to put them in the fridge for a while, simply because we're not eating it. We're going to eat later on. So I'll put these in the fridge and we will see you later on.
Bye.
Bye. So here's the burgers. Let's say there's only 2, because there's only 2 of us, so I've frozen the other 2. We'll have them another day, won't we?
Yeah.
Right, what I'm going to do with these 2 burgers is I'm going to put some pepper on one side. I'm going to get oil. I'm going to oil the burgers, not the pan.
Oh.
Yeah?
That's controversial.
While I'm doing this, let's not forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification button. Thank you all very much. Any comments, suggestions you have, leave down below. Okay. Right, let's take these 2 burgers. I've got a pan here, which should be nice and hot now. Yes. And I'm going to obviously put the burgers oil side down. Right, I need to wash my hands. And I will add pepper on this side as well. And while they're cooking, I will put a bit more oil on this side.
And how long should they take, Michael, per side?
I think probably about 2 to 3 minutes.
Wow, that's quick burgers.
While they're cooking, I'm going to make a little sauce again, the burger buns. So what I have here is about 3 tablespoons natural plain yogurt and 1.5 tablespoons mango chutney. Very easy. Just give that a stir. Right, that'll do it. They've been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, look at that. That's what you want. That is absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some American style mustard. You can use whatever type of mustard you like, but the reason I'm using this one is just so having to double dip a spoon in a jar. So I'm going to put that on. I'm going to cook it like this for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to put cheese on top. So let's get the cheese on. I've gone for extra mature cheddar because we love cheese.
We do.
Oh look!
Oh, it's a spare.
There's an extra slice. Yeah.
Oh. The tiny bit I get.
How are we going to cook this? What we do, bit of cold water, put it in the pan, cover, leave that for 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. So while that's steaming away nicely, let's build these burgers, shall we? So I'm going to put some of the mango chutney sauce.
On my buns.
On the buns, exactly. I've got a few bits to go in them as well. I've got some lettuce, some onion, and some gherkin.
Accessorise.
Let's have a look at the burger, shall we?
Oh, okay, we're over then.
You ready? Yep, there we go. So they are cooked nicely. Oh, stop that!
Like everything in this house has got to have something to say.
Let's put this on the bun. Let's put the onion. Now it's up to you whatever you want to put in your burgers. But this works very well. Gherkin. And some green bits of lettuce. Now I obviously have to make this contrived, don't I? I can't save it on that, can I?
No.
So let's get out my bit of slate. There. Transfer that onto there. And let's put the lid on. Like so. There you have it. My turkey and pork burgers. They are so tasty, so scrummy, so Moorish, so delicious. Any other words I can think of?
Well, I wouldn't know because I haven't even tasted it yet. It's still sat there in front of you.
Absolutely. What a punishment, hey?
Yeah.
Make them, enjoy them, and you will love them. Lots of love. Mwah!
Secrets I can never keep. Always talking in my sleep. La la, love and conversation deep, but you're